What's up, YouTube? It's my first video. This is my car. It's a 2016 Mustang 5.0. Currently on E85, cat deletes and intake. Nothing crazy. It's on welds, bead locks, and then Velgen or Velgen, I don't know how to pronounce that shit. It's getting boosted on Monday. Finally, going with a Paxton supercharger, so it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna take it for a night drive with some of my friends. Oh, it's also wrapped in pine green. Really nice wrap. I'm missing a door handle. Didn't know how to put that shit back on whenever I did try to do a wrap myself. Seats, premium interior, carbon fiber steering wheel. It's also gutted in the rear. Little cold start. Not really a cold start. Exhaust is cat deletes, X-pipe, and then Mach 1 mufflers, which are valved. Look, you can see there. There's some of the cars that are here. 430i, full bolts on, heads, cam, weight reduction, CJ. Gen 1 540i muffler delete. My car. I forgot what this has. I think it's a CJ V6 6R80. A Honda Civic SI tuned. I don't know what the fuck that shit is. Boss 302 intake headers, 15s, some weight reduction, E85 injectors. I forgot my head mount, so I'm just holding the camera like this. I'm a horrible YouTuber. forgot to finish last night's video, but we ended up just driving around, cruising, nothing crazy. So I'm still getting used to recording and all that shit. This is the car. Next time you'll see this car, it'll be boosted on Paxton supercharger. Getting a Paxton supercharger, a 4-level 2 fuel system, and then fuel clinic injectors, oil pump gear, and crank sprocket. Here's the interior. It's a 6-speed 6R80. Reclaro seats. Carbon fiber steering wheel. Paddle shifter extensions. And this is my tuning device. It's an RTD. Nothing crazy. So yeah, this is the first and last time you will see this car in a naturally aspirated intake Cadilly E85. Next time you'll see it, it'll be boosted.